Rotate your wrists. Bend your elbows. Rotate your shoulders clockwise and anti-clockwise 10 times each side. Keep going, keep going. Just a minute. If you are done with your shoulder rotation, rotate your neck. Keep rotating from both sides. Both sides, 5 times each side. Then forward and backward movement of your neck. Forward and backward movement of your neck. Slowly back, slowly up and down. Do it slowly. Okay, interlock your fingers. Interlock your hands. Put your hands on your forehead and apply counter pressure with your hands and your neck. Your hands will be going back, your neck will try to go ahead. And apply counter pressure. Same from the back. Breathe in deep and then apply counter force. Okay. Hold your one hand with your from your wrist and then take it to the other side. Feel the stretch for some time and then release your hand, release your wrist. Now hold your other wrist with your free hand and then pull your arm to the other side. Let's do Vipreet Namaskar. Vipreet Namaskar. There will be some days when you will find it tough doing even Vipreet Namaskar. That's why I insist we do it every day so that it becomes a part of our life, part of our body. The shape that we make at our back, reverse namaste. One, it is not going to let your shoulders freeze. The other thing is that you have been doing this now for 2 months. Why leave it now? Why leave it? It is a skill. Why leave a skill? If you do not practice, you may not be able to do it again. And that's why I keep insisting that yoga is a part of life now for you as well as me. Hold it here for 40 seconds. Okay. Gomukhasan, Ardha Gomukhasan. Right hand over your right shoulder and then hold it right there for 30 seconds. For 30 seconds, please do it. 30 seconds from one side. Then once you are done with your 30 from one side, do it from the other 30 seconds. If you leave your practice in between, like you have a 1 month or 2 month break, then you have to start again from zero. So make sure you keep repeating this, keep doing this until it becomes a part of your body. The movements, the balance, the stretch, and then maybe you can give your body a little bit of rest in between. Till then, keep going, keep doing it repeatedly every day. Okay. Let's give a bit of stretch to our body. Both your hands interlocked on your back and then go down. Up. Again. Down. Slowly come up. Come into butterfly pose. Bodh Konasana. Let us do butterfly for a minute. Keep focused on your own self. Don't worry about the world. Just focus on your body. Just feel the stretch, feel the pain or the joy. Whatever you are feeling, just remain connected to that only. Don't worry about what's happening outside. Just you and your body, your thoughts. That is it. Go forward, breathe out slowly. Keep your back straight and smell the ground. Try to smell the ground. Keep your back as straight as possible and then slowly come up. Great hip opener. Again, breathe out, chest open. Keep your back straight and go down slowly. Remain here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and slowly up. Come into Dandasana. Stretch your feet, twist your feet, rotate them 360 degrees, both sides, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Make sure the spine is straight. You are in correct Dandasana or staff pose. L shape your body should be making. You should not be falling back or too forward. Your back should be straight while sitting in Dandasana. Forward, backward movement of your feet. Okay. Let us start with Marichai Asana. Marichai Asana. Get into this position first of all. Your left leg bent, right leg straight, vertically up. Now your right hand from around your right knee, right leg, and hold both the hands on your back. No issue if you are unable to do it. Just try to do as much as you can and then release your left leg. Release your left leg. Look over your left shoulder. It will look something like this from the side. Just see me. It will look something like this from the side. I hope you all are trying to practice this. Now from the other side. Right leg bent, left leg raised up, your left arm from around. See, the trick here is to get your arm as around as possible. Try to do it from underneath your shoulder and then grasp the other hand. Grasp the other hand and slowly, once you are able to grasp the other hand, hold it tight, release your left leg, right leg, and look over your right shoulder. Try to keep your spine straight again. Initially, it will be bent, I know, but gradually take it up and look over your right shoulder and hold it there. This is called Marichayasana. It is named after Maharishi Marichi. Marichi was the name of a sage or rishi. Okay. Remain in this position. Remain in this position. Let us do Vakrasana. Vakrasana. Your left leg will be bent vertically up. Right arm around your left leg. Try to touch your right knee. If unable to do it, just raise your hand up and give your body a good twist. Your left hand is supporting your back. Twist your body as much as you can and hold here for 30. If you are able to hold your breath for 30 seconds, it is great. But if you are unable, just breathe normally. Once you are done with this, come back slowly. Now do it from the other side. Five, four, three, two, one. Come back. Come into Vajrasana or Virasana. It is also called Virasana or Vajrasana. Let us start with puppy pose. Breathe in. Breathe out. Go down. Stretch your back, your arms, chin on ground. Your chest should be pushing towards the ground. Give yourself a good stretch. Breathe normally when down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next, let us do a little bit of variation. Put your right hand underneath your left shoulder and look under the left shoulder while keeping your other hand and your back straight and stretched. Your back will be. Now do it from the other side also. Same stretch from the other side. One hand stretched, other hand goes underneath the shoulder. In my case, right shoulder. My neck will be also going under my right shoulder and looking towards that side, which is right side. Make sure your back is stretched. Don't pull it up or roll over. Don't arch it. Come again into puppy pose and slowly come up. Slowly come up into Vajrasana again. Come into preparation for cat and cow position. Cat and cow. Arch your back down towards the ground, your neck towards the roof, and breathe in. Change the position, breathe out, roll your back up. Connect between your shoulders. Cat. Do it rhythmically 5 times each side. Cat and cow. Okay. Let us do a bit of balancing act. Your left arm and left leg on the ground. Your right arm stretched. Stretch your right arm and try to stretch your right arm and right leg in a straight line. The left side is on the ground and balance yourself. Again, make sure your arm and your leg is in a straight line. Try to do it. Then come down. Let us repeat this from the other side also. From our right side, first stretch your arm, stretch your leg, your neck in line. And down. Get up on your knees. Get up on your knees. Just a little bit of distance between your feet. Prepare for Ushtrasan. Ushtrasan, camel pose. Those who are unable to do full Ushtrasan may do Ardha Ushtrasan. I'll be going for full Ushtrasan with both hands on my heels. Just see me once how I do it, then you may also try. Both hands forward in level to your shoulders. Both hands forward. Take your right back on your heels. Now from the other side also on your heels, and pull your body up and forward. Chest will be going up and arch yourself. Make sure that this portion is going out. And then once you are here, then come up slowly from both sides. If you are unable to do it, no issue. Just do it by supporting your waist with your hands, and then go down. If you are unable to do the full one, but do it slowly. Don't go too fast down or too fast up. Do it slowly. Come up slowly. Very slow. Okay. On your legs, on your feet. Okay. Let us start with chair pose. Both arms up, arms touching your ear. Distance between your feet. And go down on your knees for 30. Go as low as you can while keeping your back straight. From your waist up till your neck, it should be straight. It should not be bent forward or back. It should be straight. Both your toes should be pointed forward, not on the sides. Not on the sides. It should not be like this. They should be both pointed towards forward. They should not be bent at an angle. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and up. Slowly up. Open your legs a bit further. Let us go into goddess pose. Both your hands together in Namaste and go down on your knees. Closed and just feel what's happening with your body. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and slowly up. Slowly come back up. Come into mountain pose. Into mountain. Raise your right leg up as much up as you can. Bring it forward between your hands. Between your hands. Knee, left knee on the ground. Give your legs a stretch. Arch your back. Give it a good stretch. Toe on ground, left toe on ground, so that you get a good balance. Breathe in, both hands from the sides, and look up. Anjaneyasana. Five, four, three, two, one, and again, both hands on the sides of your leg. Go back just as you come into this asana. Again, into mountain pose. Again, this time, take your left leg up as much as you can. Bring it forward in a straight line between your both arms. Your back toe straight. Give it a good stretch. And then both your hands from the sides and look towards the roof. Anjaneyasana from the left side. Five, four, three, two, one. Again, both hands on the sides. Mountain pose. Into mountain pose. Let's do a little bit of variation with the mountain pose. Release your right hand and touch your left toe. Sit here for some time. Then put your right hand back on the ground, on the mat. Release your left hand and touch your right toe. Again, both hands on the mat into pose. From here, go down. From here, go down on the mat into Ashtanga Namaskar. Let us see how it is done properly. Just see me once how I do it. Once you are here, put your knees on the ground, your chin and chest on the ground, your hands on the sides of your shoulders, your body up from your hips. It should be up. It should look something like this. Do not fall on the ground just like this. In Ashtanga Namaskar, our chin, our chest, our hands, our knees, and our toes, they are on the ground. And then from here, we come into Bhujanga. Go down. Come into Makarasana. Makarasana. Sandeep sir, should we have a feedback session? 10 minutes?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, so we'll be doing a little bit of feedback session today. 10 minutes around. Both your hands interlocked, chin on your hands, feet pointed inwards, little bit of distance between your feet. Breathe in, go up. Look towards the roof, your neck will be stretched. This will work on your neck and middle back. Try to keep your arms straight, don't bend your elbows. Breathe in, if possible, hold your breath. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go down. Go down. Let us do it again, once again. Breathe in and up. It's a great stretch. You can feel where this stretch is happening and just focus on that point of your body. Just try to focus for 30 seconds. You will automatically get connected to your body. Just try to feel it. Now, once we try to focus on where it is stretching, our body automatically gets focused. We don't need to put in the effort. Okay. Hands under your thighs, both feet together. Prepare for Salabhasana. Prepare for Salabhasana. On my count, we'll all be doing together. Up. Don't raise your chin on ground. Just the legs in the air. Knees should not be bent. Hold it here for 40 seconds. Great for your lower back, your reproductive digestive system. Also increases the core strength. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go down. Get into your back. We'll not be doing Shavasana today because of paucity of time. We'll be straight away going into bridge pose. Bridge pose. Raise your body on your shoulders. Arch your body on your shoulders. Try to hold both your heels with your hands. If unable to do it, just put the hands on the ground. The distance between your knees, your shoulders, and your feet will be equal. And arch your back up as much as possible. Your chin will be touching your chest or throat if you are doing it properly. Give your back a good arch. Hold it here for 30 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come down. Very slowly come down. Okay, next, Pavan Muktasana. Both your legs bent and together. Hold them with your arms. Raise your neck up. Try to touch the chin with your knees. Push your both legs against your belly, against your chest. And then slowly release it. Keep both your legs twisted, both your legs bent. Open both your arms. Bend both your legs to the right. And twist your torso towards the left. Give yourself a good stretch. Come back into the middle. Now go on the left. Look towards the right. Again, full stretch of the body. Coming from office, you feel tired, you feel pain in your back, you can try this. I assure you, you will feel a lot better after doing this. Okay. Lastly, we'll be doing plow pose or halasana. Those who have chronic issues in the back may not do it. Those who are perfectly okay can try this. Plow pose. And slowly come down. Rest a little bit for 10 seconds and then get up from your left into Sukhasana. Sandeep sir, let's start the feedback. Please go ahead.
Do you want to do the pranayam first and then?
Sir, we will be ending with it.
Okay, fine.
Mic is off, sir. Mic is off.
Sorry. कुछ वीक्स पहले जैसे हम लोगों ने किया था, राइट? जैसा फीडबैक हमने किया था, राइट? कि हाउ इज इट गोइंग, कैसा चल रहा है, आप लोग कर पा रहे हो नहीं कर पा रहे हो, एनीथिंग आप लोगों को लगता है कि चेंज होना चाहिए, या बिकॉज हम बहुत ज़्यादा बात करते नहीं है इन द सेशन, राइट? सो दिस इज जस्ट अ काइंड ऑफ एन अपॉर्चुनिटी, ताकि हम बात करें और पता चले कि हम सही में राइट वे में कर रहे हैं नहीं कर रहे हैं, या कोई इशू है, कोई टाइमिंग, कोई भी फीडबैक, एनी काइंड ऑफ फीडबैक, आई थिंक यू कैन जस्ट कम एंड देन टॉक अबाउट इट. एंड आई थिंक इट मे बी अ गुड आइडिया अगर हम फेस टू फेस बात करें, राइट? इट्स जस्ट अ फीडबैक, इट्स नॉट आसना. So you can come online, like come on video, okay, and then talk about it. Okay, I think we are missing Medhavi today. The last time I think she had a
Yeah.
great, but that's fine. Hello, hello, can you hear me? Hello, 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 hello.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, can you
Hello.
hear? Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, go ahead.
So I was just saying that we have two newcomers, Shubham Bose and Beauty Sarkar. Maybe they can tell us something about how they feel about the class.
Okay, Shubham and Beauty. Not sure I'm putting all of you on the spot or not, but come up front and then talk about it. Like, कैसा लग रहा है आप लोगों को, कोई feedback है, कुछ है? So feel free to make your video on if you're comfortable. That's fine.
I'm here,
Okay.
Beauty Sarkar. I'm here.
Yeah, I know. So कोई feedback है?
मैंने डाला है अपना फीडबैक, इसमें मैंने अपना फीडबैक डाला है.
Okay. Anyways, in this session ऐसा कुछ है जो you think you would like to share? कुछ शेयर
नहीं,
कर रहे हैं अनीश जी से, कुछ ऐसा
आसन
है?
है, मैं कर नहीं पाती हूँ. कुछ आसन है, मैं कर नहीं पाती हूँ.
अच्छा.
because of my surgery.
Oh, okay,
तो
okay,
I will try.
okay, okay, okay. और कुछ क्वेश्चन है जो आई थिंक आप अनीश जी से पूछना चाहते हो?
Sir, Anish sir,
Yeah, go ahead.
can you hear me?
Yeah,
Sir,
yeah, we can.
फैट घटाने के लिए, टमी को घटाने के लिए कुछ एक्सरसाइज है?
That's great. I like that.
Yeah, we can do a session completely on reducing tummy fat. We can do a session if Sandeep sir agrees. We can do a session because there are different asanas, specific asanas for different kind of issues. We can do an entire session, 1 hour complete session for reducing that tummy fat, which is a great issue in our country right now. Most people join yoga for doing it. We'll be doing it.
एक और चीज है जो मैं मतलब अनाउंस करना चाहता हूँ. सो आई थिंक आई नो मैं और अनीश जी आपस में बात कर रहे थे, राइट? अनीश जी इज आल्सो बिजी बिकॉज ही इज इन गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया एंड आई सी ही हैज लाइक given he is a gold medalist, I can assume, right, how busy he can be. और उसी तरीके से I think the idea is also to go specific sessions, right? जैसे स्पेसिफिक चीजें हैं, राइट? किसी को डायबिटीज एंड व्हाट डू यू कॉल डायबिटिक एंड ब्लड प्रेशर रिलेटेड इश्यूज हैं, कोई एक सेक्शन ऑफ इशू है जो कि आई थिंक वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट. फैट इज लाइक इज अनदर वन, वेट घटाना इज अनदर वन, राइट? थ्रू योगा एंड ऑल. व्हाई? बिकॉज देयर आर बहुत सारे आइडियाज हैं, एक्सरसाइज है, न्यूट्रिशन है, फूड है, कीटो डाइट है, डाइट चार्ट एंड एवरीथिंग. सो आई थिंक वी हैव बीन टॉकिंग अबाउट कि वो डेफिनेटली आई थिंक हम बात कर रहे हैं. एंड हो सकता है कि एंड दैट्स वन ऑफ द रीजंस, राइट? हम फीडबैक मांग रहे थे कि इस वाले सेशन में कैसा लग रहा है, राइट? अगर वो सारे फीडबैक आए अच्छी तरीके से आए, देन इट मे बी अ ग्रेट आइडिया, राइट, टू स्टार्ट अदर सेशंस व्हिच आर वेरी स्पेसिफिकली फॉर द प्रॉब्लम्स, राइट? उसमें क्या है, वो अनीश जी कह रहे थे देयर इज अ पैकेज, and Anish ji, correct me if I'm wrong, right? वो पैकेज स्पेसिफिकली वैसे आसन का ही होगा which will be very specific to the problem, right? Like फैट घटाना तो सिर्फ हम फैट के रिलेटेड ही करेंगे, बट होपफुली आई थिंक कुछ वीक्स के अंदर वो स्पेसिफिक क्लासेस आ जाएं, राइट? if Anish ji is fine with that, right?
I'll be trying, sir. I'll be trying.
Okay. और क्या
Shubham.
Beauty ji, thank you so much. I think if you have already done the feedback on Facebook, I guess.
Thank you.
Okay, who else? Shubham, I know, I think आप I think just कुछ ही classes join किए हैं, but at the outset आपको कैसा लग रहा है? Do you think anything else is needed or any specific comments, feedback, recommendation would be great, would be very helpful. Hello, am I audible? आप लोग सुन पा रहे हैं मुझे? हेलो
हेलो
अनीश जी, सुन पा रहे हैं मुझे? हेलो,
हाँ जी सर, आ रही आवाज आपकी?
I'm not sure. Shubham ji is not. So I think others, anyone, Devendra ji, Anil ji, Sunil ji, Karthik ji, any feedback? कुछ ऐसा है जो आप लोगों को लगता है कि और ऐड करना चाहिए या स्पेसिफिकली करना चाहिए, या अच्छा हो रहा है या ये ठीक नहीं हो रहा है, यहाँ पर सुधार होनी चाहिए, ऐसा वैसा जो भी है? बी ओपन, वेरी ओपन.
संदीप सर, गुड मॉर्निंग.
गुड मॉर्निंग.
गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू. तो सर, योग से तो हम पहले भी थोड़े जुड़े हुए थे थोड़े, पर सबसे बड़ी बात थी जो हमें कंटिन्यूटी नहीं थी. इस सेशन में आने के कारण हम कंटिन्यू कर पा रहे हैं. और जो डिफरेंस मुझे यहाँ लगता है बाकी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस से, जैसे टीवी पे भी चलता है, कहीं पे भी चलता है, वो हमारे लेवल से आउट हो जाता है, क्योंकि उसमें हम इतना डायरेक्टली पूछ भी नहीं सकते किसी को. तो अपने यहाँ पे जो सारे जुड़े हुए हैं, यहाँ पे हम डायरेक्टली फील होता है हमें कि हम सारे एक जगह पे ही बैठे हुए एक प्लेटफॉर्म पे बैठ के कर रहे हैं, जो अगर टीवी शीवी में वो बात कट आउट हो जाती है. तो यहाँ पे ये लगता है कि हम सारे इकट्ठे हैं यहाँ और इकट्ठा बैठ के कर रहे हैं. बहुत मजा आता है इस सेशन में करने से. और ज्यादा जब हमें नॉलेज खुद ही होगा तब भी हम ज्यादा बात कर पाएंगे. अब दूसरों को सुनना ही बेटर है. जो अपना जिनको ज्यादा एक्सपीरियंस है वो बता रहे हैं, तो उस पैटर्न को फॉलो करना ही हमारे लिए सबसे बेस्ट है.
दैट्स ग्रेट. आपने आप एक बहुत अच्छी बात कही है, राइट? कंटिन्यूटी, राइट? आई थिंक जब अनीश जी और मैं बात कर रहे थे इसको करने के लिए, आई थिंक दैट वाज वन ऑफ द थिंग आई मेंशन्ड, अनीश जी, इफ यू रिमेंबर, राइट? कि योगा आई थिंक हर जगह होता है, एंड यूआईआई इज नॉट ओनली योगा, आप लोगों को पता होगा, राइट? इट हैज लॉट ऑफ अदर डिसिप्लिन्स आल्सो. लेकिन कंटिन्यूटी, लाइक, इज अ वेरी स्पेसिफिक प्रैक्टिस, राइट? डे टू डे बेसिस पे 6 बजे 7 बजे उठ के जो एक इंस्पिरेशन डेली मिलता है ना, जो 5 सेकंड का इंस्पिरेशन है, जो आपको बिस्तर से उठा के योगा के टेबल तक लाता है, राइट? वो मिसिंग है आज की डेट में, राइट? पूरी दुनिया में मिसिंग है, राइट? योगा जो पैशनेट लोग हो जाते हैं तो 4 क्लासेस करके फिर अपना ये कर लेते हैं, लेकिन दूसरे महीने से फिर गायब हो जाता है. So my concern was, how can we make it like a daily practice, right? What is that inspiration? चाहे वो डांटना भी पड़े लोगों को, right? Can we just make sure people come to it, right? And we definitely wanted to make it free because I think from the service perspective, but net I think वो जो inspiration है वो काफी important है. Anyways, I think मेरे से ज्यादा I think आप लोगों को सुनना जरूरी है. So अनिल जी, कार्तिक जी, देवेंद्र जी, आप लोगों को क्या कहना है? हेलो, सोच में तो नहीं पड़े कि कौन पहले जाएगा. मैं ही ले लेता हूँ नाम. अनिल जी, व्हाई डोंट यू जस्ट स्टार्ट? ओके, आई एम नॉट श्योर अनिल जी हैं या नहीं है. सो देवेंद्र जी, आपका क्या कहना है? Devendra ji, you there? Okay. कार्तिक जी आपका क्या कहना?
They are all off. Sir, let us finish this session.
Okay, no.
They are already.
Yeah, I'm not sure. I think they're
Yeah.
there. So I think एक feedback is very important. I think अनीश जी आप जब इनसे I think बात करो तो I think you can claim feedback is very important for everyone to continue, right? Because see ultimately अगर वो feedback नहीं होगा तो I think हमें पता नहीं चलेगा, अनीश जी को पता नहीं चलेगा कि are we doing right thing or not. और अगर राइट थिंग सी सबके पास अपना अपना टाइम है राइट बिकॉज एवरी डे 1 hour इज वेरी एक्सपेंसिव लाइक 1 घंटा निकालना किसी के लिए और 10 लोगों के लिए 20 लोगों के लिए इट्स वेरी एक्सपेंसिव मेरे लिए तो बहुत ही एक्सपेंसिव है सो उस 1 घंटे को अगर हमें पता ना चले कि हम सही में वो घंटा सही लोगों के लिए लगा रहे हैं या नहीं लगा रहे हैं then I think it will be very very difficult right for us to understand कि यार सही काम कर रहे हैं नहीं कर रहे हैं so that's the reason we need feedback okay and I definitely I think we need to share feedback okay so that and anything बुरा हो अच्छा हो जो भी हो वो feedback आना बहुत जरूरी है okay with that I'll hand it over to Anish ji aapko and then let's finish our session
Okay, let us finish with Brahmari and Udgit. We do not have time to do pranayam today. Maybe you can do after the class, but in this class we'll be finishing. Prepare for Brahmari and Udgit. Hands on your knees. Keep your eyes closed. Focus on your breath. ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ Rub both your hands and touch them on your eyes, on your face, and open your eyes. With this, we finish our today's session. We will be meeting now on Monday, 7 a.m. IST. Thank you. Thank you for joining.
Thank you.
Thank you.